Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, it's a get ready with me kind of a video where we are getting ready together for Valentine's Day, and also I will be sharing with you guys a small transition tutorial for Instagram Reels and for YouTube Short as well, where I'm gonna share with you guys how I edit and shoot my transition video. But this time it will be interesting because I will be sharing with you guys that OOTD wala वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल ऑल्सो जिसमें छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स मिला के एक वीडियो बनता है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर गेटिंग दिस बट आई विल शेयर द फाइनल वीडियो हियर सो दैट यू विल गेट अ बेटर आइडिया. सो उसमें एंड में हम एक ट्रांजेक्शन ऐड करेंगे. सो इट विल बी अ फन वीडियो एंड इट विल बी हेल्पफुल ऑल्सो इन केस यू वांट टू सी हाउ यू कैन मेक दिस वीडियोज फॉर योर इंस्टाग्राम रील्स एंड फॉर योर यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स. Then yeah, please keep on watching and let's get started. So we are not doing so much with the get ready with me one part because I don't want to make this video way too long. So I already dressed up with the dress that I will be wearing, and I will be adding some bag and shoes to give that Valentine Day touch, like a red color wala theme. And you can imagine like red color with this color will look really amazing. So yeah, that's all about the outfit that I will be wearing. Now let's do the makeup. So I recently started doing very less makeup, like only concealer and this blush and mascara, and that's it. That's all I do. I don't know if I should share with you guys because I don't want to make this video very long, and also I'm not very expert in the makeup category, so I will just fast forward it and I will mention the products that I'm using.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let.
I'm done with my makeup. That's all what I do for my makeup, and I started liking it. It's like a proper no makeup kind of a look. So yeah, that's what I do. And now I'm wearing my hoop earrings. That's the only jewelry I'm wearing, and these two neck pieces I wear all the time. So yeah, I just add these hoop earrings. And yeah, I think that's the whole look. Now I will be completing my look with two very important products, which are, first one is this beautiful moon shaped bag, and I love the color. What I told you that this color combination will look amazing. So it's not like a proper red color, it is kind of a maroon, which is a red color. So yeah, to give a Valentine Day touch, I'm wearing this bag with this dress. It look beautiful. And the second product will be my shoes, my red shoes. Again, it is in this maroon color. It is not a perfect red because I want to match it with the bag. So yeah, these are the two last things that I will be adding to my outfit, and I'm good to go. So as I'm all ready now, it's time to shoot the transition videos. So first I will share with you guys how I will shoot that OOTD wala look, where I will be adding small clips together. So for that, what I do, I take the videos of very important part of my outfit that's very interesting. For example, this bag, my shoes, the dress, and the earrings. Taking a shot of wearing the earrings, and it looked really nice. So I will just do that right now with you, so you will get a better idea. So now I'm gonna turn my camera because I will have to shoot the video in landscape mode. No, sorry, this is the landscape. I have to shoot the video in portrait mode. So let's do it. Okay, so we are back now. Let's shoot. So the first shot that I will be taking is for my dress. So I'm thinking of doing something like this, you know. I will take my dress and I will, you know, do like this. You know, I will be showing that, you know, the dress, like I have wear my dress, you know, I will give that kind of a touch. So yeah, that will be my first shot. Like I will do like this, and second will be the earring shot. So what I will do is just I take this earring and I will pretend that I'm wearing it. I will not pretend it like I'm actually wearing it. So I will take a shot of that. That will be my second shot. And for next shot, you can also add some makeup products like your blush. You can just take your blush and do like, you know, apply it in front of a camera. That can also be a very nice shot that you can add to the video. And next shot you can take with your shoes. You can just pretend you're wearing it, something like this. It's very hard to do. You can do that. It's hard, but yeah, you can do that and take a clip of it, and yeah, you can add to your video. That will be our fourth shot. And the last shot will be with the bag, because with this we are doing a very beautiful transition also, where, you know, we will do a transition and the last clip will be in slow-mo, where we are showing our whole outfit, our whole look. So yeah, that will be interesting, and you can use this transition for, you know, जिसमें आप बिना मेकअप के हो एंड फिर बाद में आप मेकअप में आ जाते हो. You can use this transition with that also. So what you have to do is that you will just, you know, pick up your bag and you can just show your bag or something like this, and you can just, you know, bag को आपको उतारना है, and then you have to touch the bag with camera. And that's how we are gonna do a transition. Okay, so for last shot I have changed my place. This is like my favorite space of my room, so I want this to be in the background, and हम transition कर रहे हैं तो कुछ change होना चाहिए. Like I'm not changing my outfit, so that's why I changed the place. तो ये वाला जो शॉट है हमें इसे वहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है जहाँ पे हमने लास्ट वाला शॉट ख़त्म किया था, which is, you know, कैमरे के सामने हमने बैग को रखा था. So ये वाला जो शॉट है हम इसे वहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So I will do like this, and now I will give some poses and, you know, anything you like, and yeah, that's it. That is the last shot. Now we will combine this whole video and we will make our final video. So yeah, let's go and do some editing. So for editing, I'm using the InShot app, and here I'm selecting all the clips that I will need. Now जब clips InShot app में upload हो जाएंगी, then I will, you know, individually select the, you know, important part जो मुझे video में रखना है, and I will just, you know, delete the unnecessary part of that clip. So for example, here I'm, you know, seeing where I have to start this clip जहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे dress उठाया है and ऐसे मैं dress छोड़ूंगी. So I'm deciding that, and I will just keep that part only, and बाकी का part मैं delete कर दूंगी, and I will do same with all the clips. So for this you can use the split and delete option available in InShot app. ना लास्ट क्लिप में जो स्टार्टिंग पार्ट है वो मैं सेम तरीके से करूँगी. लाइक जो भी मुझे पार्ट रखना होगा मैं वो पार्ट रखूँगी एंड बाकी डिलीट कर दूँगी. बट जो एंड पार्ट है जहाँ पे मैं बैग को कैमरे के पास ले जाऊँगी, उसको मैं वहाँ तक, यू नो, स्प्लिट करूँगी जहाँ पे, यू नो, ब्लरी सा इफेक्ट आए, ताकि जब हम उस क्लिप को दूसरी क्लिप से ऐड करें तो हमें एक परफेक्ट ट्रांजिशन मिल पाए. नाउ जो हमारा फाइनल क्लिप है उसका स्टार्टिंग में वहाँ से स्प्लिट करूँगी जहाँ से मैं इस बैग को, यू नो, तुरंत, यू नो, कैमरे से टच करा के वापस ले रही हूँ, ताकि हमें एक स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन मिल पाए. एंड अगेन इसका जो एंड पार्ट है उसमें मैं सिर्फ नेसेसरी पार्ट रखूँगी एंड बाकी के पार्ट में डिलीट कर दूँगी. एंड या दैट्स इट, हमारी वीडियो फाइनली तैयार है. सो या दिस इज़ अ फाइनल वीडियो. आई एड दिस टैग्स जो आपको दोनों इंस्टाग्राम रील्स एंड यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स में मिल जाएगा. एंड या दिस इज़ द फाइनल वीडियो, बट इट इज़ विदाउट म्यूजिक, सो इट इज़ लुकिंग नॉर्मल सा, बट आई हैव फाउंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग फॉर दिस वीडियो. So if you are interested, then please go and watch the full video with music on my other channel जहाँ पे मैं रोज shorts upload करती हूँ. So yeah, go and watch it there. lot and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, that's all for today's video and I really hope कोई वीडियो में मज़ा आया हो, इंटरेस्टिंग लगी हो और हेल्पफुल लगी हो. अगर इसमें से कुछ भी लगा हो then like this video and subscribe to my channel and yeah, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.